Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how you can withdraw your money from Coinbase to your bank account. So let's get started. So here we are, and as you can see, I have my Coinbase installed right here in my browser. So if you don't know how to install it, you can just Google search in your Google Chrome or what browser you have that is compatible with the Coinbase extension. You can just go Coinbase right here and then extension right there. And you want to go here to the wallet extension right here by Google, and in here you want to install this right there. And if you don't have an account, but I'm assuming you already have one because you are watching this to deposit your money and you already have a crypto right here that you want to withdraw, let's say may it be Ethereum, Bitcoin, or whatever kind of token that you want to withdraw and turn into real money to your bank account. But as you can see, I don't have any because this is just a tutorial. I made this account for the sake of tutorial, so I didn't add any cryptos right here because it would be a hassle for me, and also it's not available here in my countries. Let me show you. And the way you can add a token here is clicking here on add crypto and add crypto with Coinbase Pay, or you could add using the other method, and as you can see, it's not supported right here in my country. And let's go back. You could also do this, transfer from another wallet. This is also a good way for you to import token here in your Coinbase, but I'm already assuming that you already have your token that you want to withdraw, so let's proceed. So let's say you already have your token here, and a way so that it can be transferred into your bank account is through PayPal crypto right here. So this PayPal crypto is not available for everyone. This is only available for those people who are staying in the US, and this is basically an easy way. So if you're in the US, you're lucky, it will be really easy for you. So yeah, that is all about PayPal crypto. And what you should know about PayPal crypto: you can buy cryptocurrency simply in the app, unauthorized transfer, reimbursement, learn at your own pace, all your crypto in one place. So you can send, receive, transfer, so you could basically do everything right here. But this is not what we're gonna use today. We're gonna use another platform for those who are not in the US or who cannot use PayPal crypto. Then this is for you. So here we are in Bitso. So let me just show you what it is like when you haven't logged in yet. So if you want to log in here in Bitso, it's really simple. You just need to click here on login, or if you don't have an account, you can go here and start now, and you can register easily because the registration process is very simple. You just need to provide your country of residence, your email right here. Let me create one for you. Let's use a temp mail right there so that you can see, and I can guide you through the registration here in Bitso because this is what we're going to be using. Let's just wait for the temporary email to load right there. And now we're gonna paste it right here, and we're gonna choose a password. So you might want to build your password accordingly right here. So I'm gonna show you how you can do it. 1 2 3 tutorial, just like that. I already have a lowercase, now I need an uppercase right there, and then a symbol right there, and that's basically it. You just need to copy paste, and then there, I'm not a robot, and traffic lights, of course, right there, and start. It's as easy as that. All you have to do is go back to your email now, and you just need a verification code right there. It's this one, so just paste it right here. Seems like I can't paste it. 719058, 719058, right, just like that. And then there you are. You can now get started, and you need to complete your information, by the way, so that you could do your transfer here in Bitso. So you need to validate your details, tell us where you're born, etc., and In the next steps, it would ask you to provide your valid IDs, may it be passport, government ID, or whatever valid documents you have that can prove your identity. And that's it. But I haven't provided mine because this is just for the tutorial. Let's just close this because we're done in registering. And this is what I made for this tutorial. I made a dummy account right here. So in here, what you want to do is first, of course, you want to do this first, enable two-factor authentication. This is really important so that you have more security in your account. And now let's proceed into transferring our funds. Let's say that you want to transfer Bitcoin right here. Let's say Bitcoin is the one that you want to convert into real money that will be transferred to your bank account. So what you want to do first is you want to go here into deposit Bitcoin, and you have to select a network and what you would want. Let's say you want bits to transfer right there, and as you can see, it says something went wrong. This transaction extends your limit. Increase your account limit to continue. So you really need to do this. Let's go to increase my limit so that we can see how we can do it right here. So this is what you want to do. That's why I said earlier that all you need to do first is complete your details here in Bitso, because you cannot proceed any further if you didn't validate your account right here, verify it, and provided the necessary documents. So here you need to provide your full name, date of birth, sex, profession, source of funds, politically exposed person, and phone number. And that is the way you can increase your limit here in Bitso. So let's go back. But don't worry, that's just simple right there. You don't need to see it. Anyway, after this, once you have selected your network right here, you would be prompted, or it will be shown the address of the Bitcoin on your account that you will need here in Coinbase, because in Coinbase you would need to send your token right here. Your token here in Coinbase, you would need to send it right here. Click send, and you want to send here, and you want to paste the address that you have copied here, because it will be shown right here so that it will be transferred into your Bitso account from your Coinbase. And after that, the process is fairly simple. After that, let me just go into my currencies right here. So here in my currencies, you can see here, make your first deposit to see your balance here, and I don't have any currencies yet. So it depends on what currency that you have. You have to deposit here first in Bitso so that you'd have your currency. For example, you want a Mexican dollar, then you can deposit a Mexican dollar right here so that it would appear right here in your currencies, and you could also see it here, right here. And if you want a yen, then you can just deposit yen right here, and so on and so on. And let's go here in all. As you can see, we have a USD stable coin. This is what we will be using for us to convert our money, our crypto, into real money. So let's just go back. So let's say we want to convert Bitcoin, right? So from here we want to go to buy and sell after we have deposited our Bitcoin right here, and we want it to swap. We want it from Bitcoin to USD stable coins because we want to convert our Bitcoin into stable coins. And there will be an exchange rate right here, right there, and you would see it right here after you have input the amount, let's say 5, and you will see the details right here, the exchange rate, the value, the spread, total pay, just like that. And you'll be receiving in USD is 27,743.53 USD. So once you have done that, all you need to do is go to continue right there, and that should be it. You will be able to convert it into USD stablecoin. And after you have converted that, then actually you can already send it to your bank account. If you want a USD, you can just go and click here, send, and you have the option to send it to your bank account. But if you don't want a USD, then you could convert it into something else. If you want a yen or Mexican dollars, then you can go here in buy or sell, and you want to swap right here because you want it from USD into the currency that you want, let's say Mexican dollar. or euro. As you can see, we also have euro right here, but if you want Mexican dollar, as you can see, we don't have. Actually, we have that. I'm sorry, we have this. If you want that, then you can go for Mexican right there, or if you want yen. Do we have that? We don't have it yet, but yeah, that's basically it. So you know how you can convert your money right here, and after that you have converted this to Mexican dollar. You can go to your Mexican stable coin right here, and you wanna click here on send, and you'll have the option to send it to your bank account. And after that, all you need to do is simply provide your bank account details, and after that you're all good. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.